Can you actually live off dividends in retirement? It's a question many retirees ask, and the answer depends on several key factors. For some, living off dividends is the perfect strategy for financial freedom in retirement, but for others, it might not be as feasible as they hope. Stick with me till the end, and I'll walk you through the key steps to determine if dividends can truly support your lifestyle and how you can make sure you're on the right track. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure to check out the first link in the description below. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to secure their savings, and you can learn why by getting your free guide today. Now, let's talk dividends. Dividends are a form of passive income you receive from owning shares in certain companies or funds. In theory, they can provide a steady stream of income, which can be especially appealing in retirement. But not all dividends are created equal. Some stocks offer high dividends, while others have more modest payouts. To truly live off dividends in retirement, you'll need to carefully evaluate how much you need to cover your living expenses and then figure out how much you can expect to receive from your dividend portfolio. To start, consider the amount you need each month in retirement. A comfortable retirement generally costs between $3,000 to $5,000 a month for most people, but this varies depending on your lifestyle, location, and any other income sources. With that in mind, let's do some quick math. If you need $4,000 a month, that's $48,000 a year. To achieve that with dividends, you'll need a portfolio that generates enough income. Let's say you're looking for a portfolio yielding an average of 4%. To generate $48,000 annually, you'd need a portfolio worth $1.2 million. That's a big number, and for some people, it may not be realistic unless you've already accumulated significant wealth. That's where many retirees can run into trouble, thinking they can live off dividends with too small of a portfolio. But there's another angle to consider. Dividends can be an important part of your income plan, but you may also want to rely on other sources of income like Social Security or even withdrawals from a traditional IRA. If you've got a 100K or 500K portfolio, trying to live off just dividends may be challenging. In this case, you may want to use your dividends as a supplement while tapping into other income sources. Speaking of your IRA, have you considered using a gold IRA to help protect your wealth during retirement? Gold IRAs can help hedge against inflation and market volatility, and they allow you to grow your wealth while diversifying away from stocks and bonds. Unlike a regular brokerage account or traditional IRA, a gold IRA is not exposed to the same market risks, making it an ideal option for retirees looking to secure their wealth. If you're looking for a safe and proven option for long-term wealth growth, check out the free Gold IRA guide in the description below. It's a perfect fit for anyone with 100K or more in their IRA or 401K, or even up to $5 million in savings. But let's say you're not interested in gold IRAs right now. What can you do to make dividends work for you? The key is to focus on high-quality dividend-paying stocks, those that have a track record of increasing payouts year after year. It's also important to balance your portfolio with dividend ETFs or index funds. These give you diversification, while still allowing you to capture the steady income from dividends. Remember, living off dividends in retirement isn't just about picking the right stocks. You need to be strategic about how much you're withdrawing. Living off dividends alone might not be enough, especially if your portfolio isn't large enough or doesn't yield enough income. This is why having a diversified investment strategy, including assets like precious metals or even real estate, is so crucial to long-term retirement security. To wrap it up, living off dividends in retirement is possible, but only with a well-planned strategy. Start by determining your monthly expenses and how much your portfolio can realistically generate. If you're serious about making your retirement work, especially with inflation and market swings, make sure you check out the first link below to learn why so many Americans are securing their wealth with gold IRAs. If you've got more than 100K in your IRA or 401K, or even up to $5 million in savings, this free guide is perfect for you. Make sure you grab it before it's too late. Take action today because your financial future deserves it.